What's up, guys? I'm going to be painting this Avenger, and I'm going to be painting it the football edition. So, I don't know if this is going to be cool, but let me go with the image. Alright guys, so I got the image, and it's this. Let me zoom out. It's this, so I'm going to be painting it, and I'm going to be using. And today I'm gonna be using these markers again, and I'm gonna stop the video, and then I'm gonna do some guiding, and then I'm gonna post it. It's gonna be a bang. All right, guys. So I just got done painting the custom Avenger. This is what the results look like. So I got the inspiration from this particular photo. And I wanted to copy the football Avenger, the black and blue. I wanted that one, but it seems like that they didn't have any searches. So I just copied this one, and it looks super cool, and I can't believe it. And I worked really hard on this. It took about 10 minutes to make. It's really easy. Look at that. I like to keep it simple. I don't draw the crown, but I do write Avenger. But you kind of write Avenger messed up. So I'm actually pretty interested. So if you guys want me guys to record a freestyle event with this monster shark, make sure you guys to like and subscribe, and peace.